What up, vatos? Thanks again for tuning into yet another video. Infamous coming at you live from the West Coast yet again, San Jose, California. So today I'm bringing you a unboxing of rear crash bar for the Lowrider S. It also acts as passenger foot pegs at the same time, so you could kill two birds with one stone with these, of course. So it's crash bar, rear crash bar slash passenger foot pegs, because the Lowrider S does not come with passenger foot pegs straight from the factory. So the brand of these, it's not Bung, it is TCMT, the same manufacturer that I used on my Sportster. So the engine guard, the Mustache engine guard that I have on my Sportster, it's the same manufacturer. So these are made in China, okay? So packaging, as you can see, looks very good, well packaged, rubber with some saran wrap plastic. Let's go ahead and open these. I already opened them up, wondering what they look like. They're heavy, all right. I'm not sure about the thickness or anything like that, but you can look at it. Looks beefy, of course. I'm gonna just show you, some close-ups of the welds. I'm not too sure if that's any good, but you can see some of it. I don't know if these are power coated. I believe it might be power coated, because coverage looks pretty good. Good coverage all the way around. You can see the welds here. So that's one of them. Let's go ahead and open up the second one. I already went ahead and slashed these open, of course. We are going to be installing these soon, maybe within the next couple days. I'll just have to find a day that I could install these. So these are the way that it is shipped. We have these wrapped in plastic, plus the foam, well protected, in case you guys are wondering. I don't know if they have a low gloss or a matte finish, but this is a high gloss finish, which will fit the bike pretty good. I don't know which one's the left side or the right side. I'll just have to figure that out when I start installing these. So here's the second one. You guys can check them out side by side right there. I don't know which one is the one on the left or the right, but I'll figure it out. There is no instructions in here, just so far the hardware and the foot pegs or the crash bar themselves. So there you go, in case you're wondering. There is a thread in here, so we're not finished unboxing these just yet, okay? We still have to check out the hardware. So this is the second little bag that you get. You get this little bag of hardware. This also appears to be kind of like a foot peg. It's got a little bit of a grip, plastic. Yeah, these are made out of plastic. So I don't know if that is gonna be reliable. I'm not too sure, but so far everything looks pretty good. I wonder how this goes. Does this go in there? Alright, so this goes in there, right? So like I said, I don't, there is no instructions on how to install these. I'm guessing one of these goes in here. Alright, so that goes in there, in case you're wondering. Okay, so we have two of these. So this looks to be alloy. I believe this is alloy. It's not that thick. Look at, so this is the sleeving for this. So maybe this just makes it a little bit more durable. Like I said, this is plastic, so maybe it's meant to kind of tear away and break away with the crash bar. That way you don't damage the frame. Maybe that's what that's for, maybe. But yeah, this goes in here like so. And then maybe they do this so you could replace these. You know what I'm saying? So like I was probably just so maybe you could buy these end caps from Bung, and they offer replacements. So yeah, that just goes in there. This one of course goes in there on that one. And then this is the mounting hardware, and this goes in here. I guess there's no washers, but I have washers myself. Maybe I'll probably put some washers on there, but there you go. So you have the two main bolts, these rubber pads or these rubber pegs, and then you have just 4 bolts for the mounting of these crash bars. So stay tuned for the install. There's the unboxing of these. Of course, these do cost a lot less than the Bung one. Maybe you're looking for cheaper alternatives. Are these going to be crash tested? I don't know. I mean, hopefully I don't have to put them to the test, but it's better than nothing. So it's you guys leave your comments down below. Would you guys consider putting these on your Lowrider S, or would you rather pay the name brand of Bung for this setup? Like I said, the Bung, I believe they come in at like $250 or something like that. So that's more than twice the cost than what you could get these for. So stay out there, stay safe, don't believe everything you read, life's a risk, get out there and ride. Later.